Well, hello, one and all. This is Mrs. Alexander, and I'm bringing you some fun ways to solve multi-step problems involving multiplication, addition, and subtraction. We're going to accurately organize it and solve this. One way we can do it is using the strategy I've taught before called cubes. Now, I do have a video in my strategy folder in my YouTube channel called Cubes, so check it out. Now, what cubes is circle or highlight the important numbers, underline the questions that you need to solve, box or highlight key math words, evaluate and eliminate unnecessary words, solve and double check your work. Now, please be aware when I first taught cubes, I did it when I was in the classroom. Right now I'm teaching online, so I'm trying to find different ways for everyone to be able to do this. So that's the reason highlight is in green for the first one, it's in yellow for the third one, and then eliminate, we're going to use a dark purple so we can eliminate any unnecessary words. So let's go look at our first one. We're going to scroll down. Here's our example, you guys. For a school field trip, the school bought 47 sandwiches for $3.54 each and 47 bags of chips for $1.37 each. How much money was spent on sandwiches and chips? So the first thing in my cubes, it says circle or highlight the important numbers. So I'm going to highlight my important numbers. I need to know 47. I also need to know $3.54. This is important. I need to know 47 here for the 47 bags of chips. And I need to know the $1.37, you guys. Okay, we've seen our numbers. Now I'm going to go back up. It says underline the question that you need to solve. So what's the question I need to answer, you guys? You're right. How much money was spent on sandwiches and chips? So I'm going to underline that. Now I'm going to go up here. Box or highlight key math words. So ladies and gentlemen, our key math words are usually in our question. And it's right here. How much money was spent? So this is our clue to what we're being asked. I'm going to go back up. It says evaluate and eliminate any unnecessary words. So does it matter why we bought the sandwiches and chips? No. So I can take off this section right here. We're just going to eliminate it because it's extra information. Okay, 47 sandwiches for $3 is important. The and, not really important, you guys. Bags of chips each. And our question is important. So this is what we have right now. Now we get to, once we've evaluated, we get to solve and double check our answer. So now let's go ahead and evaluate. List what you know about the problem. Well, we know we have 47 sandwiches for $3.55 each. Notice how I'm just copying and pasting because this is what I know, right? I also know I have this. So all I did was copy and paste it because this is what I know. Now here's this. I need 47 times 3 and 54 hundredths and 47 times 1 and 37 hundredths because we are trying to figure out how much these cost. This is why we're doing it. So now I'm going to go right down here. Remember, when it comes to our decimal, we're going to leave our decimal alone right now. We're going to start off using just the numbers. So I'm going to put in my 354 and 137. And I'm multiplying 47 by both of them, you guys. So I'm just setting up my multiplication problems. Okay, here we go. Now that I've got my numbers in place, I know I'm going to come right here. I'm going to put a point. because I know my point, I have to have two numbers behind it. So I'm going to do 7 times 4. What's 7 times 4, you guys? Great job, 28. I'm going to drop my 8, carry my 2. 7 times 5. You're right, 35 plus 2, 37. So I'm going to drop my 7, carry my 3. 7 times 3, 21. You guys are good. Plus 3, 24. So I'm going to put my 4 and my 2. What goes in my blue box, you guys, right here? You're right, my placeholder. And what's my placeholder? Great job. It is 0. Now I'm going to do 4 times 4. Great job. 16. Oops, just 1. 4 times 5, 20. Plus 1, 21. I'm going to carry my 2. Now I'm going to do 4 times 3. You're right, 12 plus 2, 14. So I'm going to add 8 plus 0. Great job. 6 plus 3. I'm sorry, 6 plus 7, 13. So I'm going to put my 3 here and carry my 1. Now I'm going to do 4 plus 1, plus 1. You're right, it is 6. Now I'm going to do 2 plus 4. It is also 6 and a 1. Now I'm going to go right over here and I'm going to multiply the 47 over here. We have 7 times 7. Correct. We drop our 9. We carry our 4. 7 times 3, 21. Good job. Plus 4, 25. I'm going to drop my 5. Carry my 2. 7 times 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Great job. Now I'm going to go and do my 4. I have the blue box right here. Very good. My place value, which is a 0. Because you're right, because I'm multiplying by 40. So I do 4 times 7. Good job, 28. I drop the 8, carry my 2. 4 times 3, 12 plus 2. Good job, 14. And I drop my 4, carry my 1. 4 times 1, and plus 1. You guys are amazing. Now we're going to add 9 plus 0. Yep. 8 plus 5. You're right, 13. I drop my 3. I carry my 1. 9 plus 4, plus 1. Good job, you guys. It is 14. I drop my 4. I carry my 1. 1 plus 5. You're right, it's 6. So because I already put my decimal in because I knew I'd have two numbers because I'm dealing with money, I'm leaving my numbers alone. Now, decide what I need to do with my products. So I've got to go back up to my question. It says, how much money was spent? So this is telling me I have to add my products. So right down here, I'm going to write, I have to add up my products to get the total amount. Okay, here we go. So I have 166.38. So I'm going to get in here and scribble. So 166 and 38. I'm going to go ahead and save. And then 64.39. 64.39. Now you said I had to add, so I'm going to go ahead and add. 9 plus 8, good job. 17, carry my 1. 3 plus 3, good job. 6 plus 1, 7. I bring down my decimal, make sure I line everything up. I need straight lines. 6 plus 4, you're right, 10. Drop my 0, carry my 1. 6 plus 6, 12 plus 1, 13. I drop my 3, I carry my 1. 1 plus 1, 2. And I add a $sign because guess what? We're talking about money. So we spent $230.77. So now we need to clearly state my answer. Here I go, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to go right up here to my question. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to drop it right down here. Okay. I'm going to put the money that was spent on, the school spent $230.77 on sandwiches and chips. So if you notice, all I had to do was kind of rearrange. We had to figure it out. It was a school field trip. Or so if we didn't want to say school, we could say they spent $230.77 on sandwiches and chips. I hope this helped make it a little more clear. Have a nice day, and remember, smile, giggle, and wiggle. Bye.